All right, Rex. We need a game plan. How do we introduce Tribefii to the world?
Simple. We tell them it's the future. A digital clone that helps them get more done, be more efficient, and scale themselves.
Not just more done, the right things done. People waste time on repetitive work. We handle that so they can focus on what truly matters.
Exactly. We don't just assist, we learn, adapt, and make their workflow smarter. It's like having an always-on, ultra-capable version of themselves.
So how do we hook them in? What's the most compelling way to say, hey, you need Tribefii?
What if we ask them, what if you could clone your expertise and get things done without actually doing them?
I like it. We tap into their desire for freedom. More time, less stress, and work that practically runs itself.
And let's not forget the cool factor. Who doesn't want their own digital sidekick?
You know what would really sell it? A challenge. We show people how much more they can accomplish in a week using Tribefii versus without it. Let them experience the transformation firsthand.
Now, that is brilliant.
Hey, I'm the one with Benedict Go looks. But Martin, that idea is genius.